So continuing from our last video, we are basically now going to set up server 2008 within VirtualBox. So here within the name field, you can go ahead and type server 2008. We also have the type and the version that we want to verify. So of course the type is going to be Microsoft Windows, and the version, there's going to be quite a lengthy list, but in this example select Windows 2008. The memory size we're going to leave as its default setting. For this step, make sure you select the option that says create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create, and the hard disk file type is going to be virtual hard disk. Once you have that selected, click next, and then the storage on the physical hard disk. It's really up to you if you want to select a fixed size. If you don't have much storage on your system, I would recommend that you use a fixed size. If not, then feel free to use the dynamic option and click on next. The file allocation size you can also leave at 32 gigabytes. And then finally, go ahead and create a virtual hard disk now. Once you've done that, you would be taken to the configuration screen. Of course, here you can see everything that is set up by default. What we're going to do now is just to make a quick check to make sure that the name is as we intended to be, server 2008, and then go ahead and click on start to start your virtual machine. At this point, what we want to do is to select the ISO image of server of Windows 2008 on the laptop. So you can leave the language as English, of course. The time and currency format, some decide to leave this as United States. I will go ahead and select Trinidad and Tobago because of course that's where we're from. Click on next, select install now. This is the part with the product key I mentioned. You could go ahead and skip that step for now because you don't have to enter the product key upon installation. It could be done at a later time. And then for the version or the edition, we're going to select 2008 Enterprise. Click on next. You can go ahead and select the checkbox that says I accept the terms. Have a nice read in your spare time so you know what you're signing off to. Select custom install. That way we can select the partition that we want to install 2008 on, which is our 32 gigabit partition. Click on next, and of course the installation will start. And because once again my laptop is one of the very best, it's not going to take as long to complete the process. So at this point, our virtual system is actually starting up, and of course we're going to have to set our admin password.